Hey, it's Pat McGrew. We are talking with Mason, and he's here at Printing United. And what are you finding that's interesting? How do you find the show?
Well, actually, my boss has been in the industry since the 90s, and he's been to multiple of these shows. And so he actually sent me for the first time to here in Orlando. Yeah, and it's been one of the most amazing experiences of my life. Yeah.
What have you seen that got your attention really hard?
Really, mostly, we use a lot of the Ricoh products, and so the 9500 series that they just came out with is something that we've been looking for quite a while. We couldn't nail anyone down that's had one yet, and so being able to see it live in person was huge for us.
And will you be looking at finishing equipment and things like that?
Absolutely. A lot of the services we usually provide is folding, any kind of book bindery, so any of the Plockmatic softwares we'd be using too. It's been amazing, yeah.
Mason, thanks so much for taking a little bit of time with us.
No problem. Thank you.